what's up guys? Today we have two new cubes. Today we have a pyramid and then we got, what's the name of this? Magaminx. I don't know the 2x2 magaminx one, so let's just open this up. First let's use I'll choose, let's close my eye and choose. I'm going to choose this. Oh, it's the magaminx. Let's start. Let's open it up. Ooh, we got some news cards. Hope you can read Chinese. Haha, got you again. I did do that in the GAN 11 Pro video. Navita Balakrishnan. Go and check out that video as well. Read Chinese? Any English signs? No. So let's start with the magaminx. Oh, it's scrambled. I just scrambled. Complain about the sellers here. I just scrambled it. Want to see? So excited, and then I open it. So that what's happened. So it's nice. It's super fast. Not that fast, but it doesn't have the corner cutting, I think. Try corner cutting. Oh, that's hard. I think the corner cutting is a bit hard for this cube. Look. Okay, this is don't have that much corner cutting. I'll buy another one and talk about that later. But we are done about the magaminx. Let's see the box for a bit. What's his name? New structure, super performance. Super performance. What? This is not even a super performance. What is? This is not even a great box though. So let's get to the pyramid. Let's go. Here's our pyramid, and let's open unbox the pyramid. Oh, you open it. Okay, we got pyramid. Oh, this is so hard. Okay, here we go. We got a pyramid. Ooh, wait. This is super smooth. This is a great performance tube. Look at that. I like this. Oh, wait, what? Did you see that, guys? Look. Oh, it doesn't happen. Wait. Okay, on this side. Oh, did it happen? Let's see. Come on, just. There you go. Look at that. Hey guys, what happened? Is this too tight or something? I know a bit of the pyramid's algorithm. So I'm going to scramble this and solve it in the next video. I'm going to try solving these two first. This